I have a piece of copper, 1/4, 3/8. I'm going to take off this particular end. I'm going to use a pipe cutter. I'm going to line it up, twist, rotate, and twist. I'm going to remove my end, place it on correctly. I'm going to get my flare tool. I'm going to look for 1/4. I'm going to lock it into place. How much do you leave? I'm not certain. And this is why I'm practicing. I place my flare tool on. As I slowly get it locked into place, I am going to make my flare. If this is not tight, this is going to slide down the pipe. You can see it crushing, spreading. When do you know when it's finished? When it doesn't turn anymore. Not going to turn anymore. I loosen up. Take everything off. I'm no pro at this. That's why I'm practicing and seeing if I did it right. I know you're supposed to put some oil on it. You want to make sure there's no burr. Feels like there's a little burr here because it's tight against the piece. And that's already made one. You can see how wide it is. And bring the cap over. And I think that is an awesome job. Now, to prevent this from further leaking, I have these special seals that go in there. I think I did mighty well on that. I'm going to practice a bend. I'm going to stick it on. I'm not sure what 0, R, and L mean. The first one is 1/4 inch. As it slides over, don't want it to fall out of its little place there. I am going to make my bend. Nice and slow. Don't have to rush. When it gets onto that 0, that is a 90-degree bend. So I made my 90-degree bend. If I want to continue the bend, I could do like so. Bring it off. And I'm pretty good, so I can now go ahead and do what I need to do. With the 3/8, it may be a little bit more difficult to do. I'm not going to bother to slide this down and try it. I'm just going to see if I can cut it. Line it up, twist, and see how it slips off. Not the best tools in the world. Okay, there we go. Twist. And I'm having a little difficulty. Okay, see if that works. There I go. It's cutting. Got it cut. I could probably flare that. Look for 3/8 over here. They say leave it, just stick up a little bit more than usual. Lock it into place. Place on your flare tool. And here we go. Can't go no more. Looks like a nice flare. It could have went down just to here. Open it up. Then you can see how it just held on there. Closes up. May feel just a little rough right there. One spot. That looks like a pretty good flare, asking me. Now, the only thing I need to do is make a bend. So I find the 3/8, should be this one here. Place into the tool. Make my bend 90 degree. I'm going to have to do 1/4 and 3/8. And let's free it up. Sticks in there just a little bit. And it looks like it's a little bit flat over here. But otherwise, it did a nice bend. Not perfect, but nice bend. The smaller one did a much better job. So, practice makes perfect. I got a number of times to try it out, and I'm good to go. Hope this video may help you out in practicing cutting, flaring, and bending.